Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what EOS is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, this looks very similar to Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Cash, and a couple other pairs too. We're kind of in this sideways consolidations that I'm not too big of a fan of. But look at this, RSI. This is bullish RSI. It looks like we're kind of turning around right now, but we gotta wait and see what happens today. But that being said, this is looking pretty decent. However, I think you're going to encounter, just looking at the fibs from the swing high back in February 13 to what, March 13? Yep. So this swing low seems like all the pairs had. You have a 38% retracement fib, so at about a $3 mark, so 2.96, sorry. Also, if I look from this bigger swing back from June 1st, 2019 to March 13, you have a 23% retracement approaching right after that. So I think you're going to encounter a lot of resistance coming up, dude. So I don't think this is the right vehicle to make some money. I mean, you do have a little bit of wiggle room to make some money, but I don't think it's the best one out there. I think you have a lot better opportunity elsewhere. By the way, guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help out the channel grow, and that way we can reach out to 7 billion people and we can teach them about crypto. And if you get anything useful out of this video, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make money like you're making money. So that being said, if you're not already long from the 23% retracement, so about the $2.37 to $2.40, I don't think I would do anything. I mean, let's just kind of just for fun, let's just measure risk to reward right now. So if you go right about there, so which is this previous low, we are going to encounter a lot of resistance at the $3 mark. So if we go to the $3 mark or so, just right below the 200-day moving average, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Your risk to reward right there, it's 1.2, which is awful. I mean, you can make money out of this if you're freaking amazing, but even Buffett, even the elites, George Soros, they're not that good. They have all the money in the world, they have all the information in the world, they're still about 52% right when they place a position. So you got to consider that when you're same way, because you're not perfect. I'm not perfect. Nobody is. And whoever tells you that they can predict price action like no other, it's lying. I mean, the only thing I use is fibs, and then I read the candles. The candles tell me a little bit of piece of information, and that's how I can put it together. But mainly, here is what's going to make you guys money long term. Risk to reward. As long as it's this low, man, you better be amazing, because if not, you're gonna hit yourself against the wall. For me to be even remotely considering this position, I would have to be over 3. So it has to be the 50% retracement, so 3.4. But I mean, you do have a lot of room to go up on this, and I believe it will. But I don't think right there the risk to reward will check out, because you have so much resistance. It's this little cluster between 3 to 3.1, that I don't want to mess with that. Instead, I'd rather wait. Once we move, let's just move this to about there, with stop loss right about there. And if we do it, see, this is exactly what I'm telling you guys. If we do it this way, risk to reward is better. It's 5.8, which is amazing. I mean, you typically don't get this much, but it's 5.8. We're not even there. And if we just go to the 61% retracement, 5.14. So we want to see something among breaking higher, the $3.11 or so, holding that 23% retracement, and then you can place your stop loss right below that. Right below the 200-day moving average, and then you're golden, because your risk to reward will be the 61% retracement. So that's the kind of stuff that you have to pay attention if you want to make money in this business. So By the way, guys, we're trying to figure out how often we're gonna post this video, so just make sure that you guys leave down in the comments below how often you guys want to see them. Because in our private chat, we're posting every day. We're posting risk to reward, everything to make everyone successful. Here we're kind of, playing around, toying with everything, see how well it goes. So if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.